This is how you play the Beatles' Two of Us on ukulele. It all starts with this lick. And it repeats. It's easy to play. I'm going to show you using 3 fingers. You can also use your thumb. The way you play it, hold your G major chord down, lift up the ring finger so you have an open E string. And then you're going to, if you use 3 fingers, place your thumb on the 3rd string, place your index on the 2nd string, place your middle finger on the 1st string, and pick along with the tablature right below. 2, 3, 4. All right, that pattern is thumb, middle, middle, thumb, index, thumb, middle, middle, thumb, index. All right, that happens twice, and then we go directly into the verse. When we get to the verse, you're going to need just a handful of chords. You'll need your G major chord, a C major chord, an A major chord. High or low G ukulele works just fine for this song. And then we're also going to need a D major chord when we get to the chorus. There's a few more chords when we get to the bridge, but let's just play through it together. And when we get to the bridge, we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. This is the monthly Beatles ukulele lesson. Please leave a comment down below. Let me know what tune you want me to teach you next month. And if you'd like to get a printable version of this song sheet, well, there's links down below. You can join the community and get all kinds of perks for your membership. Let's jam. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, intro. A repeat. Let's go. 2 of us riding nowhere, spending someone's hard-earned pay. You and me Sunday driving, not arriving on our way back home. We're on our way home. We're on our way home. We're going home. Intro. Repeat. Verse 2. Let's keep going. 2 of us sending postcards, writing letters on my wall. You and me burning matches, lifting latches on our way back home. Chorus. We're on our way home. We're on our way home. We're going home. Ringo. And I, all right, right there we get to the bridge. Go listen to the recording. You can hear Ringo Starr bringing us right into the bridge. Now the bridge chords, not terribly hard. You need a B flat. If you're not sure about the B flat chord, check this video up right here, Making Friends with the B flat chord. It's not as hard as you might think. B flat. Check out the 1st finger stays in place. Form the next chord, D minor. 1st finger still stays in place. It flattens out and you make this very colorful G minor 7 chord. Then we move to an A minor. And then we're going to play a D sus 4 chord. So leave your middle finger there. Ring finger is up there at the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and then it moves down to D7. Isn't that a lovely sound? Give a dramatic downbeat strum when the chords change, like this. 3. You and I have memories longer than the road that stretches out ahead. All right, so what I'm doing there is I'm punctuating the arrival of each new chord by really dragging my thumb through the strings slowly. Then back to the index finger. strumming nuances you can put into this to create a little more color and flavor for your playing. Now, when we get to the bridge section, it is a high melody. I'm going to sing it down an octave so I don't hurt your ears and my throat. If you're enjoying this so far, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let me know what Beatles tune you want to learn next month. This was requested by a lot of people. Happy to offer it to you. Thanks for jamming. 1, 2, 3. You and I have memories longer than the road that stretches out ahead. Two of us wearing raincoats, standing so low in the sun. You and me chasing paper, getting nowhere. Longer than the road that stretches out ahead. Two of us wearing raincoats, standing so low in the sun. You and me chasing paper, getting nowhere, on our way back home. We're on our way home. We're on our way home. We're going home. And you end with that lick. Strum it out. Paul McCartney whistles a whole lot better than I can. Are you having fun jamming? Really appreciate you watching all the way to the end. There's a playlist of ukulele Beatles lessons like this for you to enjoy right here. I hope that you will have a wonderful day making music today and look forward to seeing you in another video soon. Thanks.